All right, so let's look at this problem because we oftentimes get confused on problems such as these. Sam is putting a new carpet in his house. Carpet's an important word that we have to understand here. Carpet is an important word that we have to understand. Okay. The size of the house is shown in the diagram. Here's my diagram. We want to know how many square feet of carpet. Square feet in carpet tells me it's going to cover something. Cover is always in square units. So the carpet is going to cover all of this. Now, what I saw some people do is they were just carpeting the outside of the room. Which seems like, I don't know, if I went and said, hey babe, I'm going to have the house carpeted, and I only put carpet around the outside, I think she would be upset with me. I'm just going out on a limb. I could be wrong. So, we got to figure out how to find how much this covers. Square feet, when we're doing square units, we're always talking about area. Now, in a formula chart, we only know how to find, in 5th grade, to find the area of rectangles. Squares, rectangles. That's the only things we have formulas for, is for finding the areas of squares or rectangles. This is not a square or a rectangle. However, we can make it into 2 rectangles, and then we can find the shape, the area of those 2. If I divide this room right there, I have a rectangle here, and then I have a bigger rectangle here. And that's going to help me to change it in. I can find the area of the rectangles, because area formula is area equals length times width. Area equals length times width. Yes. So I know this side here is 7, but I need to know the length of either this side or this side. Do they give me the measurement of this side here? Right here. No. And this 12 feet stands for this whole side. So if I wanted to figure out what just this part is, it's going to be, if this whole thing is 12 feet, and this portion of it is 6 feet, that means this part right here has to be what? This whole thing's 12, so from here to here is 12, and I know this part here to here is 6, so then this part has to be 6. So this would be 6 feet, right here. So this part right here, the area of this room right here, the area would be 7 feet times 6 feet. And so that area of that smaller room would be 42 square feet. So the area of this one is 42 square feet. Now, I need to find the area of the bigger room. Well, I know that from here to here is 7, from here to here is 6, so the length of the bottom is going to be what? 13. This is 13 feet, and this is 6 feet. So if area equals length times width, area equals 13 feet times 6 feet. That's going to give me what? 8, 6, 13, and 6. 78 square feet. Yes, ma'am? Okay. So this one has 78 square feet. And to find the total area, I would have to add these 2 together. So if I wanted to write it out in one equation, I would have, let's see, 7 feet times 6 feet plus, 13 feet times 6 feet. And that should give us our total area, because we would have 42 feet squared plus 78 feet squared. Whatever that is would be the total area as long as we've done everything else correctly. Thank you.
It looks like this